Today's been really good.
Amazing. I absolutely loved it.
I've loved the event so far.
I found it amazingly well. It was really fun. It was really great just to meet so many different people.
I think what I found most interesting about it really is that belonging as an overall idea, and then within that we can discuss things like homelessness and like migration and borders too.
The event's good. I mean, I jumped into the homeless one before this, and it's kind of great to see people asking questions because they genuinely care.
Well, I saw the Road to Belonging performance earlier and I thought it was brilliant. It was really great to hear about what the young people have been doing and how they put together the show themselves and how it's based on their own research in the community, and I found it really inspiring.
I wasn't being greedy. My big crime, which I got punished for twice, was just trying to give my family the best, and I could have done if I hadn't been fired. And I wouldn't have been fired if it wasn't for the recession.
You can't just leave us in here. Have a heart. We're human too. What about the children? You can't leave us now.
I found it amazingly well. Like, I'm really surprised at the amount of people that actually turned up. A lot of people have enjoyed themselves. They've took part in so many activities like workshops and debates, which they've really enjoyed.
It's been really good and interesting. It's good to talk about belonging and well-being, because it's not usually a topic that comes up quite often, especially amongst young people. So it's good to come here with other young people and just discuss it and what it means to them and what it means to me.
The vibe, the energy has been incredible. We've had really good flow of people too, and all different backgrounds, which has been what it's basically been what it's been about. So it's been amazing, really good.
It's amazing to see the community here in the UK that's doing things for social activism and to raise awareness, so it's been awesome.
Everybody wants to do something, so people are kind of at the crossroads, a bit in limbo at the moment on what can they do, because they've heard so much and they've been bombarded by information. So I think this is a great event because people can get a bit more of an insight about what have people done and how they can help.
It was just great being able to talk to people about some issues that you don't necessarily get to talk about, because people don't always want to, because they're quite hard hitting really, but they're important, so it's great to talk about them.
This whole journey has been such a interesting process, because we've learnt to raise awareness of this big issue that we've kind of avoided and been ignorant to. So we've met people that have actually experienced homelessness, poverty, immigration, and just learning how we can actually come together as a group of people and find out ways to make things better in the world.
It's been a really fabulous day. We've had lots of different children and young people, young adults engaged, not only in taking part but leading the day. We've had loads of different guests from loads of amazing organisations, people who've travelled internationally to come and be with us today to debate, as well as to come and see the performance. So it's been a really interesting day. We've also had programmers from venues coming to see us as well, and perhaps talking to us about what we could do next with the work. I'm really interested in the campaign around belonging and going wider with that campaign and getting more people involved, and also becoming more political with that campaign. So I think that's where I want to go next with it, is get political.